Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add already installed games on Steam. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So here I've just opened up the Steam application, and what we want to do is click on Steam in the top left corner. And here we will select the option for settings. Now from the settings, what we want to do is actually go to storage here. And you will be able to see your current disk that is being used, and it detects the games automatically. Now here, if we want to add a game that's already installed on Steam, what we have to do is, if it's on another disk here, we will first select a drive and select the other drive that the game is installed on. But let's pretend like it is on the same drive that we have here. And what we want to do is click on the three dots here for settings. And then we will click on Browse Folder. Now from the Browse Folder section, it's going to look like this. And what we want to do is simply find the new folder that we have our installed game on. For example, if it's common here, it will just select it, and we will just choose the folder here through this method. And here it will load up the games that you have installed on that specific folder. So that's basically how you can add already installed games on Steam. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.